Oh, hi, we're in a subway. Bro, I hate that music. Hey, stop complaining in the subway. This is your first try. 10 more, 9 more, then we're going to, or I will kick you out of the subway. Attention, where's your seatbelt? Attention, where's seatbelt? Do not remove your seatbelt or you can fall down off the seat. I don't want to wear a seatbelt. Alright, wear your seatbelt or else you're going to fall out of the seat. Wear your seatbelt or else you'll fall in your seat. Hey, Tomato, the subway is crashed? Hey, stop it! This is your second strike. 2 more or 8 more, I will kick you out of the subway.